Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be the Wenger Tool Chest. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. The Wenger Tool Chest is an older 85mm 7-layer knife that is right at 1 1/8" scale to scale. It features red synthetic scales with an old car image, hot rolled or screen printed. This is the hot rolled version. On the top scale, you carry the US model number of 16905, an identifier number of 1.53.03. Being an older knife, this predates the Wenger Tool Chest. And while the tool set is the same on the later screen printed version, we will see a different layout, meaning that the pliers move over a layer, and there's good reason for that. So as we look, we have our keychain key ring. We get our 4-turn solid corkscrew. We get the Wenger style of reamer awl. We get the standard opening layer with the crab claw can opener. The standard cap lifter, wire bender, and hollow ground screwdriver. And then we also take note that we have the patent stamp, meaning that we have the torque lock, which is a little bit stiff, but not too bad. We get the Wenger pattern of pliers. Which are slip joint, and you can adjust them for a bigger nut or bolt or what have you. And then as we look here, our next tool is a magnifying glass, which has a nail nick in it, but it's super hard to get to with the pliers closed because the pliers cover up the nail nick. We get the Wenger style of magnifying glass with the little precision screwdriver here. And then we see the same kind of thing with the nail file. It's a little hard to get to the nail nick because the pliers are in the way. So I would say, or venture to guess, that's what prompted the tool layout change. And get our Wenger style file or metal saw. Get the Wenger pattern of scissors, the back layer sprung that were marketed as springless. And we see our patent stamp there. Glitchy camera. Get the inline Phillips, which also has a patent stamp on it. The universal wrench. The standard main blade. Has some junk on it, sorry. Then for tank stamp, you get Wenger Delmont Switzerland stainless with the bow and arrow. Nothing on the rear. And then we get the nail cleaner nail file. Now this model also features scale tools, but my toothpick is broken off in there and I haven't figured out a way to get it out without pulling a scale off, which I don't want to do. But we get the toothpick, ideally, and the tweezers. Take another look at that old car inlay there, or stamping I should say. Very nice. I have a Motorist model that has that as well. And then on the back here we have a company logo for the Linwood Mortgage Corporation. That is some kind of inlay. Very nicely done. Alright, now some similar models or related models to this would be the Wenger Motorist at 6 layers that removes the pliers, and I have a video of that on this channel. And then the Wenger Tool Chest Plus, which is 10 layers that adds the orienteering tool, the wood saw, and the fish scaler. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.